Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. We're going to go ahead and take a look at one of the trade setups we had earlier today in the futures live trading room that ended up working out really well. That was a short in the S&P and actually in the other indices as well, all of which turned out to work out extremely well, just like we thought they would. But the reason we were selling the S&P, first off, we had what we call a golden doji on the dailies yesterday, which suggests that prices head lower today. So we had a bearish outlook from the get-go, and we wanted to time our entry. So we wanted to find an entry with lower risk. And right here is what we ended up looking at and what we ended up seeing. That was a 1500 tick head and shoulders, or actually we saw it on a 1000 tick, but I put it on a 1500 tick chart because it's a little bit easier to see here. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. The neckline for that was at 2007 3/4. Now you see we broke. We changed to red on our momentum trender, bounced back up, and did what we call a last kiss. A last kiss is when you break support, run back up, hit it one last time, basically kissing it goodbye, and then take off and never look back. And you see it head and shoulders broke down, rolled over from 2007 3/4, so just basically 2008, all the way down to a low of 1995. So you're talking about 13 points. Then it ended up forming an inverted head and shoulders here, and reversing and heading straight back up. And here was your inverted head and shoulders neckline. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Here's your neckline break, and then continuation to the upside. Basically the exact same pattern, but upside down. Either way, worked out really well. A lot of people were able to take advantage of those shorts, and again, played out really well. And one thing I'll say is careful tonight because we have elections. Watch for the markets to move a lot based on the election results. Now, I don't know what those are going to be, don't know how the market's going to react to it, but just expect volatility. So that means tighten up your stops or even potentially even close positions if you don't want to be holding them through the volatility. That's all for today. Don't forget to click the link to subscribe, and until next time, happy trading.